Hey, what's up guys? This is Chowy from Niansheng. Today we are going to introduce a multifunctional machine, building machine, which is having a collection of 3 top core technologies in medical cosmetology. See, this is the OPT handle, and this is RF handle. This is YG laser gun. So let's turn it on and see what we have what functions we have inside. So first of all, turn on the key. The key on the right is to control OPT and RF handles, and this one is to control the laser gun. So when you come to this, you can set your language into English or any language you want. So let's enter. Firstly, let's see the OPTE line. And this function, we have 6 functions for this handle: hair removal, skin rejuvenation, pigmentation therapy, and vascular therapy, acne therapy. So let's see the main function of hair removal. Go. See, you can start from the low frequency and low energy. You can adjust. Maximum energy is 50 for this one. And the frequency is 20. So when you do the therapy, you must start from the low frequency and low energy to avoid any injury. When you're ready, just click ready. And you must put on some filter inside to make it work. You see the recommended filter here is 640 nami. Okay, let's go back. When you finish, just click standby. Go back. And this is for skin rejuvenation. Go. So same here, we can adjust the energy and frequency. So let's see other function. This is RF handle. You can do face and body change, different function here. And we have 3 heads for this RF handle. You see, this is for the bigger one is for body, and the medium one is for face, and we have smaller one. This is for the eyes part. RF handle is mainly for skin tightening and face lifting. And we can see this laser handle. We can enter here, enter from here, and we also can adjust energy and frequency here. You can see this is for tattoo removal and eyebrow, freckle, and the black dot. When we do the black dot function, we must use this carbon gel because this is really popular recently. Okay, let's go back. So this machine is really popular in our company. We are selling it really well. If you're interested in it, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.